Okay.
She's this is Cajun Star. She's got my back. Come here, Star. Come here. Back up. Back up. You can see the scar here.
Yep. Yep.
And like I said, see, this is the shoulder blade's deformed because it cracked it. She moves fine. She doesn't give to it any.
She ran underneath the gooseneck trailer.
Yeah.
Really?
She ran into the neck of the gooseneck trailer. Marshall had parked out. Yeah. This is Cinnamon Cookie. I think she's about 7. Most of these mares are about the same age.
Are they bred or
No.
open?
No, everything's open.
Open.
We haven't bred anything for 4 years.
Okay.
Turn Cookie around, will you? There you go. And again, she's a real moving machine.
Okay.
Real moving machine.
And the one nuzzling Marshall.
That's my old 21-year-old.
Oh, she's one you're keeping.
Well, you know.
Nobody's probably going to buy her, so you're
No,
keeping. Gotcha.
yeah. She's been a good one. She's the last of the Rockaway bloodline, so she's just here till